A business without a clearly written plan is one that fails to function at the point of growth. You will agree with me that you need a meaningful plan behind what you're trying to achieve in your business. Just like the saying goes, that if you fail to plan, then eventually you plan to fail. Let me show you how to create a highly profitable business plan in just 90 minutes. I mean, in 90 minutes, you learn how to create a profitable business plan from scratch to finish. A business owner without a plan is like one that has no vision and no destination. Most businesses without a plan have really just been living from hand to mouth. There's nothing they are really looking forward to. Rather, they are mostly concerned about what can come out of the business just so they and their families can have something to eat. Now, there are other business owners that have plans but have not found a reason to write those plans down. My dear friend, having a business plan in your head is really not good enough. Your business plan is not just for you alone. It's also meant for your staff, for your workers, so that they also can understand the vision of the business and contribute to the growth of the business. It's also necessary if you would need investors to come into your business and partner with you. Join me for this 90-minute workshop and change your business for the better. By signing up for this workshop, you will be able to, one, properly identify your target audience. Two, determine how and where to get your target audience and also understand what their preferences are. You will also be able to determine the critical components that are required to write a business plan. And in addition, I will also teach you how to attract paying clients. So that's not just to write a plan, but also you will know how to utilize this plan you've created to attract paying clients. My name is Jonathan David, a serial entrepreneur and the founder of Quick Start Academy. I'll be your pilot on this program. Sign up now and I'll see you inside.